Alright, so in this project, I will be testing the pH levels of different household liquids and seeing if they are basic, acidic, or neutral. And the reason that this can benefit like home life is because we should know what we are consuming or what we're like cleaning our floors with and cleaning our dishes with. So yeah, it's just good to know if there's acid and stuff that I'm consuming and stuff that I'm cleaning with. So I hypothesize that the hot sauce will be acidic, the ammonium will be basic, the water will be neutral, and the dish soap will be basic, and the orange juice will be acidic. And if that is the case for all of them, then the hot sauce and orange juice will make a reddish or pinkish shade in the indicator. Then the ammonium and dish soap will make a greenish, yellowish shade in the indicator, and the water will make no change if it's neutral. So the indicator is basically all you need to do is just put a red cabbage in boiling water, just peel off the leaves, and then it makes a nice special liquid that you can test that with. So I'll be getting straight to that right now. So the 5 liquids I'll be using is orange juice, here's the hot sauce, dish soap, some water, and finally ammonium. So I'll be taking a pot, filling it half up. So the water is heating up right now, and this is the cabbage, and I'll just be peeling off the leaves and putting them in one by one until they're pretty much completely covered by the water. So yeah. So now the water is just starting to boil, and I'm adding the leaves one by one. So now the leaves have been added pretty much all the way to the top of the water. So now it's just gonna boil for the next couple minutes, and it's gonna sit for another 15 to let the color kind of come out. So I've just removed the cabbage from the heat, so it will now be sitting here for the next 15 minutes, let it cool off and let the colors come out. So now that the color has fully come out, I've poured it into 5 separate containers, and it's all the same color, just a little like dark bluish. So first we're gonna do the water. All right, so just a couple drops. All right, and all right, so just like my hypothesis, it stayed the same for the water. So next up, we're gonna do some ammonium. Here we are right here. Alright, so the ammonium turned out to be basic because it's a dark greenish color. Alright, so now we have the hot sauce. And the hot sauce turned out to be acidic because it turned pink, just like my hypothesis. Now we have the orange juice. Alright, so immediately it starts turning pink. So that means that the orange juice is acidic because it's pink, just like the hot sauce. Finally, we have the dish soap. Okay, so it might be a little hard to tell on the camera, but it did turn a tiny bit greenish. So that proves it to be basic. So now that we've tested all 5, now we know that these 2 were acidic, water neutral, and then the ammonium and the dish soap, which are common cleaning materials, were basic. And then the 2 things that you consume are acidic. So with the experiment being done, my hypothesis was correct on all 5 of the liquids, and some experimental errors that could have happened were maybe the water that was boiled with the cabbage, when it was the blue color, when it turned into the indicator, maybe the temperature affected it. Maybe if it was hot, it could have had different readings or something, but I really doubt that. But that's just one possibility because it was still kind of steaming. So those were my findings, and now I know just a little more about what I'm consuming and what I'm putting into my body and what I'm cleaning my house with and cleaning my dishes with. So that's good.